everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I'm back to share a design team package here from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. First of all, happy 2021 to everybody. I hope you guys all had a good holiday, Christmas, New Year's. I took a long break, a much needed break. So here I am back ready to do videos again. Let me go ahead and share the new design team kit that she has. Thank you so much, Aurielle, for sending me another design team kit. She also sent me some goodies. So she actually sent me 2 boxes. So there's some, I believe these are handmade things inside the second one. First of all, she has these resin, I think they're resin pieces. How beautiful they are. Colors of the rainbow. So we have some yellow, a couple of yellow hearts with chunky glitter on them. You have the purple, whoops, 2 pinks, orange, and this pretty aqua color. How beautiful is that? And they are a good size. I would say like a 1 inch maybe. Then she has these, which are the clasps. As you guys know, she carries these in different colors. She did have one for the holidays. I think it was red and green. So you have 2 reds and 2 pink ones. Love these clasps. You can use these for making keychains rather, and we'll see what we come up with. How cute. They look like little heart balloons. So once again, you have them in different colors. You have the pretty light lavender pink, the dark pinks, the peach color yellow for you yellow lovers, and then the aqua. This is more of a lighter aqua color. How pretty, and they're cute. They're so cute because they're so tiny. These are, I mean, they're not super tiny, but they're small, definitely smaller. And then she did send some heart. They look like heart holographic confetti pieces here, or sequins if you will. Look how cute. They're pretty pink conversation hearts. What do they say on them? Let me see. Love, I think. Yeah. It says love, and sorry for the glare there. So you have these little tiny slices, clay slices. She has these beads. How pretty they are. So it comes in blues and orange. Well, one orange right here. As you guys can see, there's black, green, yellow, this darker mustardy yellow. Lots of fun plastic beads. These are plastic beads, you guys. She sent these. These are the ball chain, and looks like that when you close them up. And so I believe she has these in different colors as well, but you guys can check it out. You guys know she sells out fast. So this is a little candy with little tiny hearts on them. They come in the yellow and the dark pink. They're so cute, and they're small. I love how small they are. So they're so much easier to use on your projects. Some more clay slices. And this one is a variety of colors here. So how fun are these conversation hearts? Love them. These are going to be so fun to put in projects, even in your resin, you guys, if you guys are doing resin pieces. Okay, so here's some more hearts, and these are smaller than these ones here, so that's kind of nice. And they're flat backs. And again, they have the little sparkles on them. So they have more, these have tiny, more fine glitter on them. And let me see if these are all the colors. Of course, there's purple and, or lavender, I should say, and mint. Love that one. The mint, so pretty. And the pinks, the pretty pinks. So these are pretty beads, and they do come in different colors. And these are the, I love these kind of beads that are multifaceted, because then when the light hits it, you can see how super sparkly they get. See that? So I don't know what she calls these, but they're like multifaceted beads to me. And these are great. The holes are on the top and the bottom, so you can definitely make dangles. Sorry about that. Stick pins, if you guys are into that. Stick pins for your pin cushions. And it just comes in beautiful colors. Love these pastel colors. These are like enamel charms. And it looks like it's kind of a rosy gold setting or plate. I don't know what you call it, but isn't that pretty? Ooh, they're so pretty. Oh. Ball chain clasps or chain. So she gave me the red and the pink. More of those fun sparkly beads, the most multifaceted ones. I think these are also, yeah. So they're like little disco balls, as if you will. See how those are? So pretty. And I love that pearl sheen to them. I was super excited about these. Look how teeny tiny they are. She does sell these, but I think she might be out. The last time I checked, she ran out, but she was selling these as sets. And oh my gosh, look how pretty they are. So it comes in different colors, as you guys can see here. There's pink, there's peach, kind of a more of a mustardy yellow, just a darker yellow, the white, and the purple, and the tealish color. Not quite mint. But you guys see how they sparkle, because they have that center, almost looks like a little flower. So you can definitely put these in shakers if you want. Or you can use them individually, which I like to do when I create some projects. Lastly, you have this beautiful trim, beautiful colors that I love. Oh, I love it. So this is the yellow. Look how pretty. And you have about, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I think it's 12 hearts that you can individually cut. You guys see that? I hope I can show it to you. Or you can use it as a trim. So like if you were, like, let's say if you were doing a box, you can use it like that and just glue it on. How pretty, right? Perfect for Valentine's. Oh my gosh. I love them. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different colors, and it's a foot long. They're 12 inches long, each color. And that's it, you guys. So check out Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. If you guys are interested in purchasing these, I hope you guys subscribe, because she does have a subscription, so that way you know, you will get it automatically every month. So you can check it out by clicking the link that I will be providing in the description box. I'm back to share some happy mail from AURIELLE. Oh my gosh, this is so very sweet of her to send me another box included in my design team package. Oh my gosh, she sent me some goodies. So she sent some yummy Ghirardelli. Ah, I love these squares, and my daughter, this is like her favorite one with a caramel. Thank you so much. And she sent me 4 of those. How adorable are these? She sent me some Happy Mail, some handmade stuff. Oh my gosh. Girl, when did you have time to create these? How cute. They're little pinwheels. Do you guys see this? It looks like she stitched it. Wow. Oh my goodness. When did you have time? This is so cute. I don't think she used a die. I think she used, well, she used a die that creates scallop squares. And then she did some stitching. Wow, these are so cute. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I can't believe you sent me some extras. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then she sent this one, which is Christmas themed. Oh my gosh, I love these colors. I don't know what paper she used, but it's really pretty, and it looks like she used a poinsettia die. So she has several layers, and then there is a rosette on the bottom, and she layered it with some snowflake dies, it looks like. Right? I think it's a snowflake. Yeah, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then she did a trim here with, I don't know what this is. It's like, I don't know what it is. Okay. That is so, so pretty. And then the fa la la die. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at these itty bitty pieces of candy, and we make a perfect pair. So look at the pair of mittens. I gotta see it. This is adorable. Oh my gosh. So it looks like she put it on super thick foam. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love it. And then and she gave me some poinsettia. Oh my gosh, I don't want to take it out of the bag, you guys, because she put some what is it, like faux snow. How cute. Oh, I love it. I love your poinsettia and the little centers. Oh my gosh, I got a poinsettia die, you guys, but I never got to use it. Oh my gosh, the holidays kicked my butt, you guys. I mean, seriously, I just, oh, after the holidays, I think I just kind of shut down. I had to take a break. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Look. So she did a sequence mix. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at the little itty bitty. This is a pretty sequence mix. Oh my gosh, you're making me want to do some more Christmas stuff now. I'm done with Christmas, but now you're making me want to do some more. She put a charm and this, and it looks like she used embroidery thread. That is so cute. I love how you did that. That is so stinking cute. Thank you so much, sweetie. Oh, you are the best. Seriously. All right. Isn't that adorable? Okay, guys. I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.